The White Bear and the Blue Bird. The big white bear felt lonely. It wanted a friend, but was too scared to approach the little blue bird singing on the tree. One day, the bird flew down and asked the bear, "Why don't you come and play with me?" The bear hesitated, but when it saw the bird smile, it realized that courage could lead to a great friendship. The bear decided to approach the bird, and they happily played together. The white bear learned that bravery starts from the heart. Moral: courage is the first step to building new relationships, and opening your heart can lead to valuable friendships.